Hi everybody, thanks for tuning into the video on this 2013 Dodge Grand Caravan. This particular Grand Caravan is one of the nicest Grand Caravans that you're going to find. It is the RT trim level. It's the top trim level for the Grand Caravan. Going to give you a full leather interior, heated front seats, heated second row, lots of things that we're going to go through as we go around the video. Of course, the standard features that you get with all Grand Caravans, you're going to get that 3.6 liter V6 under the hood, standard stow and go seating and things like that. It does have all the color match grille items there that you get with the RT. Of course, you have fog lights down low. Coming around to the side, you're going to see a 17-inch alloy rim mounted up with a Sumitomo touring tire that is brand spanking new. We just put all four of these on here, so you do have 4 brand new tires. Color match mirror caps as well as door handles. Of course, the doors are full power. As I mentioned earlier, do have the stow and go seating here. They are heated leather second row seats. With red stitching on them. In addition to that, you're going to see your entertainment up here as well as your rear climate controls. It does have those the sun visors where you can pull up that little tab in the door there, and of course your other power door control right there. Coming around to the back, you're going to see all of your Dodge Grand Caravan and RT badging back here as well as that step bar there. You can also see where your backup camera is mounted right here underneath the D in Dodge. Pulling up the rear hatch, lots of cargo space back here. Of course, these back seats do fold flat into the floor there. Second seats fold flat, and you can have a flat load floor front to back, or excuse me, back to front there. You can also see your power hatch button here. Put that down. Jumping into the front seat. Of course, this is where you would spend most of your time. You do have your power windows, locks, and mirrors up here, as well as your power third window vents. It is a full power 10-way adjustable seat with a 2-way adjustable lumbar support. You do have adjustable foot pedals as well. Of course, your automatic light controls here. Light controls are here. It doesn't appear that they're automatic, actually. Coming over into the vehicle. Taking a look at the key, we usually do have 2 keys. I would imagine that we do. If not, this second key would be on order. It does have lock, unlock, of course, your power hatch, remote start, and both of your power doors. Starting the vehicle up. Does have 94,305 miles on it, so it is out of powertrain warranty. However, we do give a complimentary 30-day 1,000-mile powertrain warranty, and you have the option to put additional powertrain coverage or bumper-to-bumper coverage up to an additional 10 years and 100,000 miles. On the left-hand side of the wheel, you're going to see your menu navigation buttons for that center information area, as well as your Bluetooth controls. Right-hand side, you're going to see your cruise control items. Coming into the center stack, of course, you do have navigation here, also your backup camera. AM, FM, as well as Sirius XM radio are equipped on the car. Down below in your comfort features down here, you're going to see dual zone automatic climate control. You can choose to set these to a specific temperature, sync them up like that, and hit auto, and it'll try to hold that temperature just like your house would. In addition to those controls, you have your econ settings, the button that turns on your AC power outlet there in the back, as well as your heated steering wheel, heated seat controls. Down below that, you're going to see your disc spot for your rear entertainment. Of course, some more storage, some cup holders, some additional storage. This actually, that's not the one that pulls up. There's some more down there as well, and more over here. Quite a bit of storage in the front of this vehicle. Taking a quick look at the multi-point inspection that you're going to find on the inside of the glove box. As I said earlier, we did put 4 brand new tires on them. The brakes are 10/32 in the front, 8 in the rear, so tons of life left in those brake pads as well. And of course, it got an oil change and brand new Pennsylvania State inspection. Taking a quick look at the Carfax, you're going to see that it is a personal vehicle last owned in the state of Pennsylvania. It was previously owned in Maryland, and it has no accidents or no damage reported. No accidents or damage reported. Turning the vehicle off, quick look at the window sticker that was inside the glove compartment. See that the original price was $34,720, and you can see all of the different features laid out here. You can see power liftgate, remote start, heated seats, as I mentioned. Of course, it does have the Bluetooth. Try to look and see if I missed anything there. Actually, apparently there's a second video screen, so you actually have 2 sets of entertainment there. One in the back that I did miss. Apologize for that. Pretty much everything else there went over. Jumping out of the car. Last part of the video, we're going to take a quick look at any dents, dings, or imperfections. Overall, super clean car. There is one mark on the rear bumper that sticks out to me, but other than that, a few small chips in the front end, very minor and very expected. for a local vehicle. A little bit of bug damage right there. That wheel looks to be in good condition. Really don't see any dents to point out coming back here. That wheel also in good condition. A couple small marks right there. A couple tiny little marks on your step pad here on the rear bumper. And the only thing I really want to point out is right there. There is a little bit of a scuff there. It looks like somebody put some kind of a touch-up on it, tried to fix it, but obviously still a blemish on the vehicle. Little chip right there. Oh, that's just a piece of dirt. One right there. Overall, super clean van, and you're not going to find any vans with more features than this one, and also in a pretty eye-catching color. If you'd like to stop out and check it out, you can see us at 21518 Great Cove Road in McCallsburg, Pennsylvania. Visit us online at allthingsautomotive.com or give us a call, 717-485-4224. Thank you very much and have a great day. Bye-bye.